Hi and welcome back. In order to continue developing Python applications and starting to make more and more complex applications, we're going to need something more than just the Python shell, the IDLE sort of built-in interpreter. We're going to need something a bit more professional and something that will let us organize our projects and develop our applications easier and smartly. So the tool for the job is very popular right now in the industry and is made by this company called JetBrains. In order to download this product, simply go to www.jetbrains.com and then you'll be at this page or a similar page. Simply click on Products and find PyCharm. And then clicking on Get PyCharm Now or on the download button. And here we can download the Community Edition. This is plenty powerful for what we want to do. Although, of course, if you want to pay for the Professional Edition, or indeed if your company supplies this for you, you may be able to use Professional Edition instead. The Community Edition is good enough for what we're doing and is indeed a great development environment as well. So simply download it and install it like any other application, and then we'll be ready to move on and start developing more advanced Python applications. I'll see you in the next video.